Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to install VirtualBox on Mac, Apple Silicon macOS. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and search for VirtualBox download. You're going to see right here the first search results, downloads. Inside, what you're going to do, you're going to see right here the list of options: Windows hosts, macOS, Intel hosts, macOS, Apple Silicon hosts. So that's what we're going to focus on today. So we're going to hit it, and a new window will show up, right? A download window will show up, and as you can see, it's downloaded as a DMG. So now what you're gonna do is just press it, right? And all you gotta do now is just drag that VirtualBox to application, okay? And of course, they're gonna ask you a few questions like, do you accept basically accessing your files or accessing your information, etc., etc. And all you gotta do is just accept that, right? And you're gonna be able to run it. So now what I'm gonna do, all right, let me just drag it here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead to Finder. All right, let me close this window. Go ahead to Finder. In the list of options, you gotta go ahead to Applications. Scroll a little bit down to find VirtualBox. So now just double click, right? As you can see right here, it says Oracle VirtualBox cannot be installed on this computer because it's an older version. But if you have Apple Silicon or later, you're gonna be able to just run it, right? Accept the terms and services, all formalities to be frank. So, and afterwards, you're gonna be able to open VirtualBox and use it. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you. Hi, welcome to this